Hi, this is Dina Young from Austin, Texas, and we're about to do a glute workout. And the goal of this workout will be to lift that nice glute muscle. So right here, that little tuck underneath the tush, these next couple exercises will hit right there. So this first one, I want you to grab a light weight. If you don't have a light weight, a rolled up towel will do, and tuck it right beneath your left foot. Go ahead and lie face down on the floor with your hands right in front of you and your elbows out. And go ahead and squeeze that weight or that rolled up towel, flex your foot and point your toe. Go ahead and lift up. We're gonna do this just a couple inches off the floor, and we're gonna do just about 20 of these. So we already did about 5. So go ahead and keep that foot flexed. And give me 5 more right here. 3, 2, and 1. Should feel that nice little burn. Go ahead and switch sides with your towel or your weight. Flex that foot and go ahead and lie face down on the floor. Squeeze that weight. This actually works your hamstrings and your gluteus maximus. And go ahead and lift just a couple inches off the floor. And give me 20 right here. 10 more. Should really feel that burn in your hamstrings. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and grab that weight and relax those muscles. So this next exercise, we'll either need a chair, this is a bar, but a chair will do, and your left hand will be on the seat of the chair and your right hand will be at the top. So we want to have a soft knee on that right leg. And go ahead and lift that left leg up. Keep your hips square to the ground. And go ahead and lift that left leg up 5 times. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeezing every time. Now go ahead and bend your knee and extend. So bend, flex that foot 90 degrees. Right here. And you want to make sure that your hips are angled towards the ground. And give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fully extend. Go ahead and give me a clockwise circle, lifting your leg up and around for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now switch sides with the circle and go the other direction, counterclockwise. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then hold it up. Can you get it an inch higher? 3, 2, 1, and then lower that leg. So go ahead and switch hands, where your right hand is placed on the seat of your chair and your left hand is placed on the top part. Go ahead and bend that right or that left leg and extend that right leg up. Keep your hips square on the ground. So go ahead and twist up towards the ceiling and then twist back down so you know what it feels like. Keep that leg extended and give me lifts right here. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend and extend. You know what's coming. Make sure that left leg is bent. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now here come those circles. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and then switch directions for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go ahead and just lift up that leg just a little bit higher for 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Now go ahead and take that right leg and lean back and stretch out those glutes. You should be holding on to your chair. And then come back up. Take that left leg and put it over your right knee and lean back and stretch out those glutes, making sure that your knee doesn't extend beyond your toes. And then come back up and shake it out. So the last part of our butt lift video will be a swaying bridge. And this is gonna work out our gluteus maximus, our gluteus minimus, and our hamstrings. So go ahead and lie back on a mat, on your back, making sure that your feet are flexed up and that your hips are on the floor. Go ahead and squeeze that butt and lift those hips up, keeping your knees tucked in close together. Now just lower and lift and lower and lift, making sure that those feet are flexed. Give me 5 more right here. Squeeze those butt glutes on the way up. Squeeze them. Like if you have a quarter in between your glutes, you should be able to not let it go. And 1 more right here. And keep those hips lifted and just sway from left to right, squeezing your butt each time you go left to right. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I know it's gonna start burning, it's gonna start feeling kind of weird, but if you want results, then you have to make sure you feel the burn. So give me 10 more on each side, 10 more right here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then keep it lifted right here. Squeeze those glutes in. Can you hold it for 5, 4, 3, squeeze that quarter, 2, and 1. Go ahead and lower it down. Take your right leg over your left knee and straighten your left leg. Go ahead and interlace those fingers behind that left thigh and slowly pull back as you feel it on the outside of your butt. And then switch sides, taking that left knee and pressing it out, and then lacing your hands behind the right quad. And you can lift your leg for more flexibility, for more of a challenge. And if you felt that workout, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like me and follow along each day. Thanks.